All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I know you guys were asking about the part number of the time delay for the two-stage compressor, Alliance compressors. So this is it right here, part number ICM 204. It's made by ICM Controls, and we're going to install that today. And all you really need is this wire. After you set you put your tap on here, you're going to connect to this top far right one right there, and then this end is actually going to go to your Y coming up from the thermostat. So undo that what do you call that wire nut, and you're going to go ahead and strip your wire there. Yep, this one. No, this one right here. Do this one is going to go just wire nutted to this right here. Oh, I see. Okay. So I'll show you how to do the double-sided tape.
I cut it?
Yep. Cut it right there. Strip it. Put a wire nut on that bad boy. There you go. No rush. Almost. There you go. Alright, so that's going to be wire nutted to the Y circuit coming up from the thermostat. Watch him do that. And I know the instructions actually tell you to wire it a different way. Trust me, this is the correct way. Okay? Trust your boy. I've done this a lot. Okay, put this double-sided tape on there so it doesn't move on you. The double-sided tape is right there. You put it on the back side, and then you put one side first on there. There you go. And then take that off, and now smash it down a little bit in there. There you go. Smash it right down. Cool. So now we're gonna do the rest. So yeah, that one, let me show you where that goes. All right, so now the next step is he's gonna put an adapter on that. He's gonna put a tap. I was telling him about the Tranes, the Alliance compressors. They have an issue where it's just the lines on the Tranes, when it's running, right, it's spinning a certain way, right? If the power is interrupted, like a monsoon or whatever, and the power shuts off, and then for some reason it's restored within like a second or two, the compressor will spin the opposite way and ruin. So now we have to come back and install these little relays that sense if a power interruption occurs, it will make the compressor wait 3 minutes so that it kicks on, and it'll kick on the right way, spinning the right way. I know it's more work, but it's better than changing out a compressor, dude. So if you ever see a Trane that's two-stage and it has an Alliance compressor, make sure you put this thing on, okay? Trust me, trust me. Even, yeah, or else you'll be changing out a compressor a year later or whatever.
Can it go that far out or should
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. You want this to be down in there, you know?
Oh, I see.
There you go. Just spin it with your hands, spin it with your fingers. There you go. There you go, big cheddar. We'll call Francisco big cheddar. There you go. Yeah, power's disconnected. So then, yeah, that one goes on the far left. You see that comes out through there, and then that goes back to the Y circuit on the actual unit itself. And here I got wire nuts in here. Go ahead and put that together. Wire nut that. All right, so the next step is we're gonna take off this common that actually goes to the transformer. So we're gonna take that off and put it on the bottom of the relay. All right, that's literally interrupting the common circuit.
Right here?
Yep. And then the top one, you're gonna cut another one, right? And it's gonna go right back to there.
Oh, makes sense.
But essentially, it's just interrupting the circuits on the common and the Y1. Does that make sense? That's all it's doing.
You have another one of those nuts.
All right, cool. So now, like we were saying, now he's gonna do the final piece, which is now literally reconnecting this wire that he just made and hooking it up to the contactor on the common side. So all it really was, what we did was just interrupted the Y1 and the common circuit. That's it. See that right there? All right, cool. All right, bud. Yeah, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Does it look pretty good? Yeah, it does. Okay. That's it. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. You know what? Let's test it. All right, we're about to test it. Okay, so now the unit's running, right? Now we're gonna mimic a power outage or a power surge. So he's gonna disconnect the Y circuit. Yep. Let's pretend, and then he's gonna reconnect it. As soon as he hears it shut down, he's gonna reconnect it. About maybe like wait like one alligator. Count one alligator. There you go. All right. Okay, there it is, right? And then look, he reconnected it. That should have kicked it right back on. Why didn't it? It's because the relay is doing its job. So that's how we tested it. That's it. We're pretty much done. That's it, y'all. You can there it is. Now I gave it some time. You know, it was not supposed to give it that. I don't know how many minutes. It says 3, but you know, who knows? It says 3. I don't know if it's 3 minutes max. But the point is, it's just meant to interrupt it. All right. Well, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.